So this is my ADS-B receiver box. I just have a USB power supply, kind of a goofy antenna I built. It's literally just a copper rod on an aluminum foil wrap plate, and the feed line is just some phone cord right now. I'll probably fix that later. Put it in a upcycled box, I guess you could say. It's a Raspberry Pi 3B with an RTL SDR, not filtered, but I've not had any problems. The results have actually been pretty good. Again, it's just USB powered. I have it connected to Ethernet directly to the router. It's been serving me pretty well. It's been running for a little over 100 days now. I've not had any problems with it. However, I did have a cat come up on top of this antenna and really kind of knock it out of place. So there's a connector. I can't really get over here too easily. But there's a connector under here that connects the antenna itself to the line. Yeah, I can open that. But when this rod up here gets bumped, it'll knock out the signal completely. So I got to fix that. It's currently serving. Originally, I had it running Flight Radar 24. What's that one called? ADS-B Exchange. And FlightAware. Right now I'm only serving FlightAware. ADS-B Exchange is my favorite, but it's kind of hard to layer all three. Like usually it's like pick one. Right now it's running the FlightAware image. Tonight I'm going to put the ADS-B Exchange image back on there though, because it's fun to be able to run both of those places. I might try to do Flight Radar 24 at some point again, but I never really benefited from it in any way, whereas I personally prefer FlightAware more than Radar 24, because they have the remote viewing, which is kind of fun. Especially living near an airport, it's fun to go out there and I can actually see like my stuff, because you know it's the delay from the time I receive something to the time it gets to me is quite a bit lower than if I'm looking on the actual FlightAware app. But I think that's about it. This runs a little warm. It's kind of cool in here. I think there's only like 50 degrees in here right now, so that cooling's not really been a problem, but the RTL SDR does get a little warm sometimes. Like you can feel it on top of the box, the heat goes up there. We'll see. That's about it though.